Let's see how to easily resize this image without losing image quality. All you have to need, unlock the layer and then go to image and then click on image size, or you can press Alt plus Ctrl plus I, and here you can see the image size window. Here first of all you have to check Resample option and then click on this drop down, and here you can select preserve details 2.0, or you can select Big sharper reduction. So I'm selecting here preserve details 2.0. Now here fit to select original size, and here we can see the width and height section. Here I'm just selecting pixels, or you can select inches. Now I'm resizing my image. I'm giving width 2000 and height I'm giving 776 for example, and you can change resolution, and then I'm clicking on OK, and here you can see the image successfully resized. Now if I zoom in the image, and as we can see the image quality is good. So that's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.